In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact ClearBank customer support through phone, chat, and email. Whether you have a general inquiry, need to report a problem, or seek specific assistance, knowing how to reach out efficiently can save you a lot of time and hassle. First, to get started, you'll want to go to ClearBank's official website, open your preferred web browser, and type in the URL. Once the home page loads, your next step is to locate the About section. You can usually find this option easily on the top navigation bar of most websites, and ClearBank's site is no exception. Click on About to proceed. Once you're in the About section, the next step is to find and click on the Contact Us link. This is crucial as it will direct you to a dedicated page containing all the necessary options for contacting the company. As you navigate this page, scroll down a bit and you'll come across various email addresses tailored for different types of inquiries. This allows you to direct your question or issue to the most appropriate team, improving response times and accuracy. Each email is clearly labeled according to its purpose, so take a moment to identify which one best suits your needs. Continuing to scroll, you may encounter additional options, including information on how to file a complaint. If you have an issue that you feel requires formal complaint documentation, clicking on this link will guide you to specific instructions and contact details tailored for complaint handling. For those who might need to address fraud and security concerns, there is a section dedicated to this as well. Go back to the main Contact Us page, scroll down, and you'll find a link labeled Fraud Information. Clicking this will provide you with detailed instructions on how to report fraudulent activity. Notably, they have separate email addresses, one for UK residents and another for EU residents, to ensure your report reaches the correct team quickly. Additionally, if you need to submit a data subject access request, the Contact Us page provides guidance on how to do so. After locating the appropriate section, click on Data Subject Access Request. This link will direct you to a dedicated form. Fill out the required information accurately and click Submit at the bottom of the form to send your request. With these steps, you're better prepared to contact ClearBank's customer support. Taking the time to identify the right avenue for your particular need, be it general inquiries, complaints, or issues involving fraud and data requests, ensures that you receive the most efficient and accurate assistance possible. So, whenever you have a question or need help, refer back to these steps and you'll be on your way to resolving your issues swiftly and effectively.